Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Fold 5 and today I would like to show you how you can manage easy mode. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Display. Now scroll down again, click on Easy Mode over here, scroll down one more time and finally click on Gray Switcher next to Easy Mode feature to turn it on. So when I go back, as you can see, Easy Mode is now on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, just go into exactly the same settings and click on No Blue Switcher next to Easy Mode. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!